Cockpit country is not for sale. Cockpit country is not for sale. Today, we stand together to represent and honor this land that we live from. This land that you see here is what has kept us. As you will see coming up, we have no roads. The cockpits provide 40% of the fresh water supply to Jamaica. We don't have running water here. Then how can others say they care for us and we belong to them? I am here to speak truth. I am here to represent the dignity of my people, because we have suffered for years. Many have misinterpreted and misunderstood what we stand for. We're a peaceful people. The war ended. What we've been asking for is for the hands that be to do the right thing. The games are over. Stand strong in leadership. Today, I would like to let you know I will be parting with the title His Excellency, because everyone here is my equal, and I will now move to Chief Currie, first of his equals. I bring to you today words of encouragement, words of deep thought, for you to go back and look at what our ancestors achieved. They say Cudjoe couldn't speak English. That was true. He was Creole, so he spoke French. They said he couldn't write. He couldn't write English. He was a very brilliant mind. He was a part of an indigenous army, just like Dottie Bookman, who left here and went to Haiti. Maroons are scattered all over the globe because we were traveling the seas before any of the Europeans came here. There's Cudjoe Keys off the Florida coast. Nanny, as far up North Carolina. There are records of Nanny. Go to Canada, where most of that history has been untouched, where you find the history that's buried there, that tells us who we are. So, I say this to you. My mission, I've gone only 1 year, not even 1 year yet. But my mission over the next few weeks will be putting to the people the facts and the information that I've been holding on to for so long, hoping that the hands that be would have done the right thing. So now I will share with you all the information that you need to see for yourselves to decide who is the sovereign, to decide whose right it is, to decide where we go after this, because no act of parliament can override a treaty. Remember that. And our treaty still stands.
Yes. Yes.
It might be outdated. Certain terms might be repugnant. What it means is that at the table, we ought to have a discussion. We ought to have alignment on how the Maroon rights will look in today's world. That's all I've been asking for from day one. That's all I've been asking for from day one. Nothing more. I am not a warrior unless called into. Unless called into war. The war is over, but we're still fighting a cold war. Because we are here suffering, our people are dying, and no one seems to care. It always comes back to votes. Votes, votes, votes. There was a time when Maroon did not vote. But you are the key to your own freedom. And until you understand that, I will slowly work with those who hear the words that I've said. I'll work with those who are willing to deepen their understanding and their roots of who we are as indigenous people of this land. Yes, our African brothers and sisters joined us. We gave them refuge to hide from the oppressors. We protected and defended this land together. So together we own this. This is not division. This is unity. But identity gives you the rights. As indigenous people, as heir and successor to that treaty, I rest here today to leave with you.
Ask a question. He was asking a question.
Till my last breath.
The white man.
No, he was.
I will defend this land. I will defend my people. I will defend the rights of the Maroons. Stand tall. Stand strong. Believe. Believe. Shift your attention, people. We have to develop our space. We have to look out for one another. Pay attention to each and every one that comes around you. Because not everyone means us the best. There are many who understand. There are many who understand what this means. There are many who understand the power. But many do not want us to realize that, to bring that forward. We have been oppressed. We continue to be oppressed. I continue to be a diplomat. I continue to reach out to the government. And I continue to lead with open arms for whatever help or assistance that may come our way. I want to thank everyone who made the trip here today. You have braved all the nonsense. You've stood tall. I see people wearing their mask. I see some not. Please put on your mask, because that is important. But we will not be denied.
Malta for? 3? Alright. Let me can look on your chicken them again.
belly, come out from my belly. come up on my T-belly, I go up and come down. Oh, my T-belly, it a go up and come down. Lord Jesus, my T-belly, I go up and come down. Lord Jesus, my T-belly, I go up and tell you. I'm selling me a razor. I'm selling me a I'm a ramgoat boy. I'm a ramgoat boy. I'm selling me a razor. I'm selling me a razor. You don't hear me go tabal. You don't hear me go tabal. You don't hear me go tabal. Baba kill my goat. Say you don't hear me go tabal. You don't hear me go tabal. Say you don't hear me go tabal. Baba kill me good. Lottie, lend me piece of cloth. Make me tie me head. Monday I go mad. Baba kill me good. You don't hear me go tabal. Say you don't hear me go tabal. Say you don't hear me go tabal. Hey, Baba kill me good. Hey, lend me piece of cloth. Make me tie me head. Mad me I go mad. Baba kill me good. Say you don't hear me go tabal. Seems like forever. You hear the voice, night of confusion. Alright, I've been so long. Alright, cash your man. Your sheep lost anchor. And the seat up on the heaven, lead you on the boy. Hallelujah. Watch out now, play me up. 1-7, I am on my way to heaven. By the grace of God in me, 765 Cudjoe. Lord Jesus. Alright, Joshua. Alright, Joshua, man. I see you. You display.
Jamaican with Tania. Jamaican with Tania. Jamaican with Tania. Jamaican with Tania. When me walk through the valley of